Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the browser itself is the default and up-to-date. This resolves most direct open failures. Once done, test the same link in an incognito or private window to bypass extensions and cached handlers. If the link opens there, an extension or cached setting is the culprit, so disable extensions one by one. Make sure to restart the browser after changes, then try the link again to confirm whether the initial adjustments fix the behavior. Next, you tackle protocol and file association settings at the OS level because bad handlers force non-browser opens. Go to Settings, locate protocol handlers for HTTP/HTTPS, and explicitly assign them to your preferred browser. This ensures links use the right application. Then verify HTML/HTM file associations and any custom URL schemes used by apps. If problems persist, create a fresh browser profile or briefly reinstall the browser to reset internal handlers and cached policies that might block direct opening. Finish by systematically testing different links and sites to make sure the fix is consistent. If the browser offers an always open prompt for a scheme or file type, enable it so future links behave correctly. Make sure to reboot the system after final changes. If links still refuse to open directly, scan for malware, check startup apps, or create a new OS user account to isolate profile-level corruption. These steps pin down root causes and restore normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.